My name is Amiya Johnson. I am the HR apprentice here at Swiss Krono. Tell me, who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
My name is Patrick Holt. I'm the paper treating department manager.
All right, and what does paper treating do here for Swiss Krono?
It's one of the core components that make up laminate flooring. So if you have laminate, it's made up of a core board, which is a medium density fiber board, and 3 treated papers. So we take raw paper, treat it with resin, other chemicals that allow it to bond and create that laminate board. So the next process is our press will take the paper we make, that core board, heat and pressure bonds everything together, and it's what goes in and what makes laminate.
Okay, you seem to really know what you're talking about. So how long have you been with Swiss Krono?
I've currently been with the company for 12 years.
And have you been in the paper treating department the whole time?
No, actually, I started out as a temp. I came in driving a forklift. At that point, I was brought in the opportunity to go in as an operator in our milling lines. I worked my way up from the milling line, assistant operator, went from line 2 to line 3, which is a more complex line. Opportunity arose that we built our paper treating plant. So as I saw that opportunity to transfer over there, I decided to put in for it and went in as an operator for paper treating. Did that for about 3 years. Then another opportunity arose and I moved to quality.
Okay.
Worked in our quality assurance for about 6 years, and then I was asked to go back to paper treating as our process tech, just as an expert in that to help with problems and just continually improve that process.
All right.
Then as of last year, I was asked to go ahead and move over as the department manager.
Okay, so since you've been in so many different places throughout the plant, how would you say or describe Swiss Krono's room for growth and improvement?
There's definitely those that want to have that drive to improve themselves and grow in the company. There's definitely ample opportunity here at Swiss Krono, but it all comes down to if they want to have that drive, they want to see those opportunities and then take them.
Right.
They're not always there, but when they're there, if you don't take them, you miss out.
And since you're such a veteran in this type of work environment, what piece of advice would you give to anyone who's just starting out or anyone who's trying to transfer here from another type of plant?
Patience. A lot of times what get people is they see that, okay, there's room for growth, or they hear a story like mine, and they want that change, they want that day shift, they want whatever's better first before they've mastered what they're currently doing.
Right.
You've got to become an expert in what the job that you're being hired to do first before you can start looking to move elsewhere. But once you've done that, don't let that be the stop. Don't let that plateau. Learn that, then move on, but have the patience to continue to drive through with what that current job and that current role is.
Right. So with you being in the paper treating department and it's many other departments here throughout the plant, if one of those departments were to go down for the day or the week, how would that affect paper treating?
It does affect paper treating depending on what department it is and how far out it goes. If there's a day, that's not going to affect us too much because our schedule and how much we make and the type of product we make, we're a few weeks behind or ahead of the other departments. But if they have a week-long downtime, that eventually does create a ripple effect and will put us down for a few days or a week as well.
Right. And leading off, this is going to be my final question. If you knew what you knew now when you were starting out, what's one thing you would do differently, if anything?
Be honest, I wouldn't do anything different. The experience that I've gained and moving to the different departments, the decisions that I made to do that has made me well-rounded and made me the expert that I am today to be able to be in this role. Without it, I wouldn't be able to do the job that I do today.
All right, thank you. My name is Amiya Johnson. I had the honor of speaking with Mr. Patrick Holt, the leader of the paper treating department here at Swiss Krono. Thank you.